King he was on carven throne, in many pillared halls of stone, with golden roof and silver floor, and runes of power upon the door. The light of sun and star and moon, in shining lamps of crystal hue, undimmed by cloud or shade of night, there shone forever fair and bright. The world is grey, the mountains old, the forge is fire, is ashen cold. No harp is wrong, no hammer falls. The darkness dwells in Durin's halls. The shadow lies upon his tomb, in Moria, in Casa doom. But still the sun